Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get your iPod into recovery mode and restore it. So, as you can see, I'm going to need one because, I'm pretty disappointed too because look how far I got my timer to. Yep, big disappointment. Oh well, gonna need it because I installed something and it completely destroyed my January update. I have like no wiggle features or anything, so I can't move anything at all. I know I could download something to get it, but there is also a different reason. I cannot connect it to iTunes. I'll show you. Gosh. Okay, covering my name. iTunes cannot connect to the iPod. I'll show you my name. Someone's iPod. Because an unknown error occurred. And then there's the error. I'm not really sure if there's a fix for it, but I don't really care because I want my January package. Now, I'm going to show you how to get it into recovery mode. So I'm going to take this out. And then I'm going to put down the camera and try and do it. So now, take the iPod, and you hold down, if you have a functional iPod, then you could just shut it off like so, and then slide it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show everyone who has, like, a serious problem, like the scrolling text and whatnot, how to do this. So then you hold down the home button, right here, and this power button right here at the top, or for iPhone users, they're right here. You hold them both down like so until the entire thing shuts off. Sorry if I'm a little close, don't have much room here. Now you're gonna hold down the home button and plug it in. See it turn on. And now it's in recovery mode. Okay, so it's in recovery mode right here. And iTunes has detected an iPod in recovery mode. You must restore this iPod before it can be used with iTunes. So, okay. And I'm going to restore an update, I guess. So then extracting software. And then, yeah, I'm connected now, so should be good. I'm just gonna leave this on for some people who want to exactly know what's going to go on when they restore their iPod. So preparing iPod for restore, and that's when your iPod should look like this. Back to the Apple screen. So then it's still here. So here you go. It's kind of weird though. Sometime after I restore, I'm getting this whole can't connect to iTunes, but that can be easily solved with me because I just shut down the iPod, reboot my iPod, and reboot the computer. So preparing iPod with software for restore, and then there's a scrolling wheel there. I'm hurting my arm holding my iPod up right next to the screen. Restoring iPod software. So we're good. No errors so far. Okay, I'm just gonna put my iPod down. So pretty much the whole thing. There's going to be the Apple logo and the scrolling wheel. Oh, by the way, this is for Mac users. Apple. Oh crap, I only have a minute left. This better be fast. Okay, if I run out of time, I'm just gonna say that after all this is over, it's gonna be software and then hardware, and then it should be completing iPod restore or something, I forget, because it's been a long time since I've had to restore mine. And then you should be good. So yeah, I'm just gonna hold out until memory goes up. Still software. It's gonna go on for a pretty long time. I'd say about maybe 5 minutes. Okay, I got 1 minute left on the camera. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave off here. So, see you later, guys, and I hope this helped a lot. Later.